August is my favorite month to shop at Dollar Tree. There's so many new items you're not going to want to miss, so let's go. All right, you guys, they just showed us all the new fall stuff that they're getting ready to put on the shelves. So we're gonna show you all the different colors that you can pick up. Over here, these are brand new pumpkins this year. Look at these green ones and this orange one. I love how whimsical they are and just a little bit imperfect. Check out the 3 different colors for these tiered pumpkins. Now, these are great to get in DIYs. If you don't like the words on them, just turn them to the back and you can always paint them as well. Our favorite owl is back this year in 3 brand new colors. What color are you guys gonna be picking up? And if you don't like any of these colors, don't worry, you can paint it white. Check out these new gnomes. These are gonna go fast. These are the 3 different versions you can pick up for fall. These pumpkins are pretty hefty and have a good weight to them. These would be great on their own, or you could paint them to match your color scheme. These are hefty too, a little bit different than these, and they have a silver stem. These items will also go really quickly. They also have this new style of pumpkin in 3 different sizes. Don't worry, you guys, the employees gave us permission to go through the boxes. We also spotted these red and orange pumpkins in 2 different sizes. This one has to be my favorite. It almost has this wood appearance to it. It comes in a lighter wood and a darker wood. I'm definitely gonna be picking these up. You can choose from 4 cute little characters. I think I'm gonna pick up the squirrel. A few more new pumpkins to look out for. This one they had last year, and I believe this one is new. Shop your florals early because within a month, they're gonna be completely picked over. If you like a lighter, more natural look to your stem, I used these last year in a big wooden bowl. These fall eucalyptus stems are gonna be one of my go-tos for this year. This is also a new one of my favorites this year, and I think will be perfect for our DIYs. I love these cute little mason jars. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is Dollar Tree. We gotta check out all the new stuff in the Dollar Tree Plus section. You can pick up one of these $5 floral centerpieces. They have 4 different colors. You can get them in red, this natural and blue color. They also have more traditional fall colors. And then they have like a brown champagne color. Let me know down in the comments which one is your favorite. I like the brown. I also like the blue. The red's pretty too. I don't know. Which one would you pick? All the back to school stuff is out now for August. Let me show you some of my favorites. Every year they come out with new patterns for back to school. We have this rainbow look. This one is really fun. And then the sports theme. And this is almost like that terrazzo pattern. Every year we pick up these magnetic locker mirrors. You can get the purple one. This is a cow print, and then the terrazzo is pink. This one's hard to see, but it's an acrylic note board. You can set your phone up on it, and then you can also use a dry erase marker to write notes for the week. Matching magnets. I found this hidden magnetic item. This is great for your craft room space. It's fun for all those little items that we craft with, and you can stick it on anything magnetic. Last time we were here, we showed you all the new Sharpie brand products that they have out. There are so much more for back to school. There's literally so many new school supplies to choose from, so make sure you stop here before going to any other store. So many cute new patterns in the folders and journals. August and January is when you can find all the new organization out at Dollar Tree. They have their back to school organization this time of year, and there's several new items. The thing that I am most excited about is this caddy. Check this out. This is very like preschool caddy where you put the paintbrushes in it. You can get it in red. You can also get blue. And then I saw 2 more colors. They have it available in green and yellow. Let me know down in the comments what color you would pick up. I think I'm gonna go with the green. You can get 2 different sizes of these multi-purpose organizers. This one is a little bit larger, and then they also have these smaller ones. These would make great shower caddies. I honestly just ordered a shower caddy off of Amazon. I wish I would have had this. These would be great to organize our craft room spaces, or you could use them in a bathroom. You can choose from all these different bright, colorful patterns, or you can get them in the patterns I showed you earlier. These are great, not just for your desk organization. I like using them in my bathroom for makeup, and you can get them in so many different colors. Make sure you paint that subscribe button. If you're watching me on your phone, the subscribe button is right next to my channel name. Click the red subscribe button so it goes from red to gray. You can also click the notification bell so you can see more videos like my Dollar Tree DIYs, home hacks, and room makeovers. The first thing I'm noticing at my store is this display shelf. Now, this is where they put all the new items out. Sometimes there's a lot of items, sometimes it's kind of picked over. Let me show you the new items for fall. The first thing that's jumping out to me are these rainbow vases. These are so cute. I'm seeing them in like a ivory color as well as this light pink. These would look so great with other decor in my home. There's also a few new vases that I'm noticing. These see-through glass ones are really pretty. There's a blue one as well as this purple one. And I think my favorite one is this white one. It has a hole in the middle of it. It's so sculptural and so gorgeous. I hope you can find it. Fall DIY alert item. These leaves are awesome. They come in silver. They also come in gold. I'm gonna be picking up 3 of these to do a DIY. How cool are these decor pieces? I'm definitely picking up the white ones. I'm thinking tiered tray. They also have out some new glass bottles that we can use in our DIYs. There are so many new vases. These are matte and so pretty. Do you guys remember these nautical rope bowls that they had in the shore living section? They're now carrying these bowls with a black, gray, and white top. And you guys, this stuff is going fast. So make sure you go to Dollar Tree and check it out now. So look down here at these serving trays. How cool are these? These are part of the $1.25 trays. This time of year, I use a lot of tapered candles in my decor. You can get them in a 2-pack at Dollar Tree. New candle holders. I don't know if they're for fall, but I haven't seen them at my store before.
Okay, Liz, what are you doing?
Planning DIYs. So many succulents. Have you guys seen these new black candle holders at Dollar Tree? I love to get these for crafting and different home decor projects. My store has most of their organization items at the front of the store, but we did spot a few new items. These little tiny containers are so adorable. You can get a set of 3 in this purple color for $1.25. They also come in blue. We also spotted this green color. I have been looking for these bowl covers for several months now. You can put them on different bowls and they work as reusable cling wrap. These are in a set of 2 and they're $1.25. These baskets are great for only $5. They come in 2 different styles. I love both. If you're into making tumblers, this may be a product you want to check out. Let me know which items you're going to be picking up at Dollar Tree in August, and make sure you subscribe because I want to see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.